Hey everybody, this is Brenda with Counting Pine Cones, and today I have an unboxing video for you. This is something I'm really excited to share, and we just got this in from Memoria Press. Now, if you followed my blog for any length of time, you'll know that Latin was my youngest daughter's language of choice. We tried various different things, but Latin was the one she took to. And with her, we've gone through Prima Latina, we've gone through Latin Christiana, and we've also done First Form Latin. So this next box, this box here, is Second Form Latin, the complete set from Memoria Press, and we are very excited to get this because this is going to continue her Latin curriculum. Now this is a review item that we'll be doing for the review crew, and I should be posting the review for this roughly May 20th, so be on the lookout for that. This is just an unboxing video though today, and I want to show you what comes in for the complete set. And I've already opened the box, but I haven't opened the stuff yet, because I wanted to share that with you. So we're going to start with the video instruction. And this is a 3 DVD set. I have not opened it yet, but it's taught by instructor Glenn Moore, who is the same instructor who taught First Form Latin. So Ashley is already familiar with him. This is about 8.5 hours of instruction on these DVDs, and there's 31 lessons, so there is a video for each lesson. And there's Mr. Moore right there. So that's the first thing you get. The second thing is a 2 audio disc set of the pronunciations. Now this is not the lesson on DVD or CD. This is just an audio that has the pronunciations for each vocabulary word, the declination, conjugation of different nouns and verbs, phrases, for each lesson. So there is an audio file for each lesson that the student can listen to when they just don't remember how to say something or how to do something. This is a great audio for them to listen to and refresh their memory or really practice with. The next thing we have is the student textbook. And this is especially good for those students who are independent learners. It has all 31 lessons. It is in a mix of like a reddish color and black and white grayscale. And it has all the lessons in it. And little extras. There's about Et tu, Brutus from Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, or Julius Caesar, not Romeo and Juliet, excuse me. Vocabulary words that the student will have to learn. Next we have the Second Form Latin flashcards, and these are always great. We use these every time we teach the course because it's great for Ashley to just grab her baggie and be able to go and practice her words, remind herself what they are. They have English on one side and then Latin on the other. I haven't opened these yet, but something I hope that I'll talk about in the review is that in previous times, this is one of our old flashcards. There's the English and there's the Latin Vita in this case. It always tells you which lesson right here up in the corner. Let's see if that comes in. There we go. So in this case, this is Prima Latina, and it will tell you lesson 6. Or if you're using Latin Christiana, it's lesson 2. And I'm hoping these flashcards do the same, because that's really great when they can't remember what this is. I could say, okay, it was from lesson 17. Go back and look over that lesson. Alright, so next in the box, that was my packaging paper. We have the student workbook, And this is a nice spiral bound. It's very heavy, actually. There's about 6 pages per lesson. And this is where the student actually will do their work. And for each lesson. Alright. And the answers are not in here, so you don't have to worry about the student going in and filling it out. You can just let them go with it. Alright, so next is the teacher's manual. So if your student's not an independent learner, or if, like me, I like to work with Ashley with her Latin, the teacher's manual is really great because it will have the student's textbook. Let's see if I can get that to come into focus for you. There we go. It's got all the pages of the student workbook or the textbook, so you can see what the lesson material was that they learned. And then it also will tell you how to teach that lesson. So it'll tell you the oral greetings, you know, and what words to review. It tells you what drills to work on and what to write on the board and how to teach that lesson so that the student really understands it. Next we have the teacher's key, and this is another spiral bound book, and this has all the answers to the student workbook, so you can go in and you can check their work. And then finally in this box we have the quiz and test book, and this is for each unit or each lesson. So here's for lesson 1 quiz. This is a perforated paper if you want to pull it out. You can also just leave it in the book and let them fill it out as you get to it. But it has the quizzes for each lesson, and then you have your unit quizzes. There's a unit 1 review, and the answers for this can be found in the teacher's key. And then the only thing left in here is the Classical Teacher Memoria Press maglog, which is their catalog, but it always has some nice little interesting articles that you can read. That's always included with any package. So we're really excited to get started with this. And as said, I'll be posting the review to the Counting Pinecones blog roughly probably on the 20th of May. So be on the lookout for that, and I'll tell you how Ashley is doing using the second form Latin books and give you a rundown of how we like the program. Hope you have a wonderful day.